to be a nurse. I won't be there if I don't want to be a nurse. Hi, vlog! Okay, say something. Ang videos mo dito, nag-hi ka lang, tapos naka-smile ka. You never talk, actually.
Okay, I'm going to talk. Hi world, hi vlog. Today is August 17, 4:42 p.m. Tapos pupunta kami ng Conve. And we're walking kasi naghahanap kami ng food.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Ano totoo ka sa vlog ni Kate? Ano mo appreciation mo kay Sos?
Siyempre, mahal niya ako eh.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, funny for the guys. 1, 2, 3, tikman na natin.
Wait, ang laki!
Ay, dapat buo. Para mas
Hindi kasha.
maano mo yung flavor. Pag sabay-sabay mas maano.
Hindi kasha!
Yung flavor mas malalasabi pag kasabay.
Ano masasabi mo?
It's nice for me.
It's okay. Okay.
Sobrayan, tanong mo. Ako, I would try it.
Iba yung lasa.
Sagot na tayo sa
Impressed.
Kasi sanay na ako eh.
It's nice.
It's good.
Here you go.
You first. Kinatikman mo.
Natikman mo.
Taga po.
Tingin na may sili. Kain ka na may sili. Try ko may sili.
Oh, it's sweet.
Yeah. Sweet. Lagyan mo na sili.
Mukbang. Mani-mani na lang.
Mani-mani na lang after ng 7-9 dahil. Magdala ka ng Milwaukee.
It's Monday. I hate Mondays. Saan tayo? Lalad Garden.
Matcha. Ate. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bakit ang bagay na happy birthday niya? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Faster daw. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Smile, smile, ate. Smile. Blow mo na. Blow your candle na. Wish daw. What's your wish? Wish mo. What's your wish? Sana po, pumayat na ako. Ay! Blow your candle. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
day... Ano nang tanong vlog mo?
Like 72 days before the grade.
72 days before the board exam. 5, 2, 2. What can you say of our pre-boards today? Are you feeling confident?
Yeah.
Confident ka ba sa pre-boards today?
Ay.
New addition. Francis is here. Francis. Damn.
Yung sa contract, pakantay natin si
Yun nga daw yung ano niya eh. Sarili natin siya.
Pangarap daw niya mag
Ayun, sige, iyan niya dun sa...
Tapos yung ate niya, hindi na.
Gagawin ako kakabit. Ang random. Gagawin mo.